Dengue cases are still on the rise, surging past 10,000 as of August 24th. While a study which aims to reduce the Aedes mosquito population has shown promising results, the technology is not suitable to counter the current dengue clusters.
Environment and Water Resources Minister Masagos Zulkifli said this is because the Wolbachia technology, well, it was tested in small study sites and remains under research and development. Now, as such, it's not ready for large-scale deployment. The field study releases male mosquitoes carrying the Wolbachia bacteria, and that bacteria causes female mosquitoes to produce eggs that don't hatch.
Wolbachia technology is also not a silver bullet. It will not replace the community's efforts to ensure good housekeeping, which is still needed to keep our homes and estates free from mosquitoes and dengue. Comprehensive mosquito surveillance, source eradication of mosquito breeding habitats, and spraying of insecticide where necessary to control the adult mosquito population continue to be Singapore's key strategies for dengue prevention and control.